What's going on, all you beautiful builders out there? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I've been dealing with bronchitis for like the last 2 weeks now, so for a while there I couldn't talk at all. But anyways, fortunately I'm getting to the end of it and I'm so happy about that. But we're here today because we are building this 4D build from Spin Master. This is the 4D build of the R2-D2. This is a cardstock model that I got off of Amazon. This company has a whole bunch of these. I've never built one before. Hopefully it turns out nice. It's got good reviews on it. You can see there, it looks pretty good in the picture. There we go. It's got 201 pieces. It's highly detailed. Again, this is kind of like the wood type models. You pop the pieces out of a cardboard sheet. It's all colored and glossy. So yeah, I like the wooden type models like this. So I'm very interested to see how this one's going to come out. Hopefully it's all right. It got it's a little damaged there. It looks like maybe a strap from when it was on a pallet or something was across it, but it should be fine. It says it has glue and everything inside here. I'm not sure how much gluing you need to do. No tools are required. I'll probably have my my X-Acto knife though, my hobby knife here, if I need to cut things out or help pop things out. But other than that, it's probably all we're gonna need. Let's see, what is the ages on this? Does it say? Yeah, not really sure what the age is on this. I don't see it on here. But yeah, anyways, R2-D2, my favorite droid from Star Wars. I have multiple R2-D2s. Anytime I see a cool R2-D2, I like to pick it up. One of my favorite characters from Star Wars altogether, because R2-D2 is really the unsung hero of Star Wars. Without R2-D2, the rebellion would have never had a chance at all. I mean, heck, he saved their lives in the compactor, the crusher. I mean, without him, they would have been goners. He carried the plans. He is probably the most important character in Star Wars. Really, when it comes down to it. That's my opinion, but that's just how I feel about it. Anyways, it looks pretty cool. It looks like it's already grunged up and everything. And yeah, so if you're interested in this model, I'll leave a link in the description down below. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so I am now part of the program. And so it doesn't cost you any more to click on that link. It's an easy way to take you directly to the product. And like I said, it doesn't cost you any more, but I do get a small compensation for it. So I'd appreciate it very much if you use the link. It helps me out tremendously. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this build. So let's go ahead and get up top and get this thing open. All right, guys, here we go. We have the box here. I already cut the seal on it, because I wanted to check, make sure everything was all right inside, and it does seem to be okay. So we can get this box out of here. And now inside we have the boards here with all the pieces on it. Got a plastic covering, so it's very shiny. We have the instruction manual here. It has all the instructions on how to assemble it. And we have a little bottle of glue. Was kind of thumbing through here looking at different things like on the glue. It says the approximate glue drying time is 45 minutes. For faster time, use a fast drying glue. So I'll probably use the Gorilla Super Glue on there to get things to dry faster. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, like a lot of other of these types of 3D models, you basically get boards that are numbered A, and then the numbers, so A1, A2, A3, and you just follow along with it that way. And we have A, B, C, D, E, and F, it looks like. So we're going to start out, we need A2 and A15, and we're just going to punch those out best we can. And be careful with these because you can actually tear the paper on them. So you want to be gentle with them. A2, A15, looks like it's right here. Here we go. So basically this is going to go in this way, and this one's going to slide in just like this. It says basically if it feels like it's going to be a loose connection, then use a little glue on it. So that's pretty tight connection right there, so we're going to leave that alone. All right, so that's basically the way it goes. So we're going to go ahead and do a speed build through this, and we'll see you at the end. that I put up there. I am really impressed with this. I really didn't know what to expect going into it, but it was a fun model to build, and it looks amazing. It really does. It looks fantastic. I highly recommend this. I'm gonna have to check out some of their other models now. I know they have some Marvel models. They've got like Iron Man's head and stuff like that, Spider-Man. They've got Hogwarts stuff, you know, things from Harry Potter. They literally have the Hogwarts castle. They have Thor's hammer. They have a lot of cool looking models, this company, and this is really awesome. Check that out. It's not very heavy because it is cardboard stock. It's pretty darn sturdy, and I really didn't use glue on this at all, except for 2 spots on each arm where I crushed the tab trying to get it in the hole, and I just couldn't get it in there, so I cut the tab off and just glued it instead. But that's what the glue is for. If you're having an issue with any of the connections, you can use a little glue on it. I used some Gorilla Super Glue because it dries very fast. Their glue takes a while to dry, and they suggest using a fast drying glue like Super Glue if you want to get it done quicker, and that's what I would suggest too. But anyways, man, the detail in this thing is just fantastic. Look at that. It's very glossy. It's got that grungy look from the years of traveling different dusty and dirty planets and the grease and the grime buildup. It looks awesome. I'm just blown away with this little model, and it was fun to build, super fun to build. You do have to be careful, you know, just you kind of start getting your pace down on how to get the pieces out. At first I was being super careful, and then I realized if you just kind of shook them a little bit and vibrated them, they'd pop out easier, and that's the way I started doing it to get the pieces out. And yeah, I mean, it helps to have something. They give you this little tool here. It's on one of the sheets, but it bends pretty quickly for popping out the little pieces in the holes. You have to pop them all out. That's probably the most tedious part about it, is getting those little pieces popped out. I just used my X-Acto knife, as you could see in the video, to pop them all out, and it worked out perfectly. So just use something small like that to pop them out, and you'll be fine. This again, this is a great build, and right now I think I paid, because I bought this months and months ago. I've had it for a while, and I just got around to building it. But right now it's half price on Amazon. It's $9.99. It's regular about $20. It's $9.99 on Amazon right now, and what a cool freaking model. So yeah, I highly suggest it. I really do. And man, this is going to look nice displayed. Can you imagine having this sitting on your desk or up on a shelf? It's great. And like I said, it was fun to build. Just the detail in it is phenomenal for what it is. And even, you know, for any model, it's got amazing detail. It really does. So anyways, guys, that is the R2-D2 4D build by Spin Master. Like I said before, I'll leave a link down below for that affiliate link. If you want to click on that, it'll help the channel out tremendously. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my videos, and I always appreciate a big thumbs up. It helps out. And thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time. I'm Chewysolo, and this is Black and Red. See you.
Woo! Now that is a whole lot of fun right there.